guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are tuning in for the first time, you're most welcome. If you have also subscribed, you're still welcome. I really do appreciate. So guys, if you can see from the first video clip here, the one that has my picture, if you can watch from my lips, the video is not even talking about the Ellen Beauty lotion. I just fixed the clip of this video here for those people watching me for the first time, so that you could easily know who is talking, like who is making the video. So this is me in the video. So guys, today I'm going to be talking about the Ellen Beauty body lotion. We have 3 kinds of Ellen Beauty body lotion. So please before I go into the main video, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload the video, you will be the first to watch. If you don't turn on the notification bell, you won't even know whether I upload the video or not. So please guys, let's be one family. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. You can as well like this video and also share it on any of your social media platform as well. So guys, today, like I said before, we have 3 bottles of Ellen Beauty. So the Ellen Beauty whitening body lotion, this lotion is mainly for fair people, or even if you are dark and you want to lighten your skin up to 3 or 4 shades, you can go for this lotion. This lotion is white in color. You can go for this Ellen Beauty whitening body lotion. This one can give you up to 3 to 4 shades. But in case if you use this lotion and you're not able to get the exact shade you want, let's say you're not able to achieve the 3-4 shades you are looking for, you can as well look for other good serums and activate the lotion. You can use kojic acid serum as well. It's a very good serum. I've already made a video on that. You can check my video, you can check my channels, and you will see the video and get to know more about the serum. Yes, and one thing I like about this Ellen product is that the ingredients there are very good, because it also has kojic acid. Kojic acid is a main ingredient that they are using as a lightening ingredient. So it has a lot of good ingredient in it. And another one, the Ellen Beauty Gold Active Intense Toning Milk. This gold lotion is basically specifically for dark skin. If you are dark and you want to turn your skin to a chocolate skin, yes, then this lotion can give you all of that. If you are dark and you are looking for that sweet chocolate skin, you can use the Ellen Beauty Gold Active Intense Toning Milk. This lotion will fit. It's very good for a dark skin. If you have a dark skin, this is your lotion. Go for this. But like I said, in case if you are not able to achieve that shade you want, you can as well activate the lotion with any serum of your choice. And again, the Ellen Beauty Absolute Whitening Carrot Extract. This lotion is also for a light skin person, because as you all know that carrot is a lightening ingredient. Carrot on its own is a lightening ingredient. So if you are using this lotion, then expect to have up to 3-4 shades. But just like the way I said earlier, there are some lotions that are written lightening 14 days, 7 days, but sometimes it may not give you the exact thing that it's written on the bottle. So if this happens to you, like if you are using the cream and you're not able to get the shade you want, what I advise is for you to activate the lotion. You can as well look for the soap of the lotion as well. And it's also good to use things from the same brand. I don't know whether this Ellen Beauty has soap or the serum, but you can as well do your further research to check whether it has a serum or the soap. It's always good for someone to combine the same product. Using different products, to me, it's not the best. But I am not saying you shouldn't try it. Yes, sometimes you can as well try other serum, like the kojic acid serum. There's no harm if you mix it with this Ellen Beauty lotion. There will be no problem with that. But I will advise, if the Ellen serum, the Ellen body lotion has a serum, then you should go for the serum. And please, before you start using this lotion on your whole body, do not forget to do a patch test, because that patch test will be able to tell you whether the serum or the lotion or whatever product you are using is good for your skin or not. That will as well minimize the skin reaction on your body. So please do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video as well. You can as well share it on all your social media platform. There's no harm for that. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Let's be one family. You can as well leave your beautiful comments on my comment section. There is no problem with that. If you want this lotion, just put the link, your comments there, and I will give you the link personally, and from that link you will follow and buy the original product. Okay, thank you guys. Continue watching to the end.